Most searched dessert worldwide. Tiramisu. Ingredients: 6 egg yolks, 3/4 cup sugar, 2/3 cup milk, 1¼ cups heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 package mascarpone cheese, 250 g, 1 cup brewed coffee, cooled, 2 tablespoons coffee liqueur, optional, 24 ladyfingers, cocoa powder, for dusting. Instructions: whisk the egg yolks and sugar in a bowl, add the milk, and cook in a double boiler, stirring constantly until thickened. Let cool. Whip the heavy cream and vanilla until stiff peaks form. Fold the mascarpone cheese into the cooled egg mixture. Dip the ladyfingers into the coffee and coffee liqueur mixture and layer them in a tiramisu dish. Spread a layer of the mascarpone mixture on top. Repeat the layers. Dust the top with cocoa powder and refrigerate for at least 4 hours.